front of the 15th hot air balloon. Ayan, here, look, it's here, near. Oh, wow. This is nice. Wow. It's in front of us, there. You see, this is a smart air balloon. Smart air balloon. Ayan. Nagkatrabaho ni Gina now. We're waiting for Willie and the rest, Joanna. We're still waiting for them. Sana nakuna. Ayan, paragliding na to. Mga gliders naman. Kamusta ka? Okay. Si Gina, yan ang trabaho niya na. Dito kami, naghihintay kami. Tumutunog na. Okay ko. Sana nakunan na nila, Willie. Baka kami papagkamalan kami trabaho namin. Napakalimos kami rito. It's okay. We see a lot of people and it's fun. Okay. We'll take some more later. Bye.